1 year ago today, I decided to book that first solo trip, and it turned out to be the best decision of my life. The alarm clock goes off. You drink your cup of coffee, you head to work, you do the same work day in, day out, you eat the same meal prep day in, day out, just to save the money. And it gets to the weekend, you watch the football, you eat the same food more or less every week. Life's just so repetitive, and the excitement gets drained out of you. So it got me thinking, should I do a barbering course? Should I go travelling? I was thinking, if I decide to do barbering, it will set me up for life. And if I go travelling, it'll open up my eyes to the world, and I can embrace some culture, try different foods. But there was just that one thing. I don't want to go alone. But I start to think about it more. It would boost my confidence up. I could open my eyes, talk to more people, and I just thought, yes, I'm going to go travelling. So I booked that first flight to Thailand. So travelling has always been a thing in the back of my mind, and I've asked my friends about it, about dates, when you want to go, what country do you want to go to, but they can only go for like 1 or 2 weeks because of like careers and responsibilities. And I was thinking to myself, I don't have a career, I don't have many responsibilities really, if I'm honest. And it's like, will they ever go travelling? Probably not. Maybe one time. But it just got me thinking, if I don't do it alone, it'll probably never happen. And I don't want to be that person who looks back on life and regrets the decisions what they make. So I arrive in Thailand, I've got my camera out, nervous as hell. My confidence is a bit shaky because I've got the camera in my hand, everyone's looking. But I'm in a foreign country, talking to foreign people, and I step out of the airport, look around, and see the traffic, the different buildings everywhere, and I'm on cloud 9. It's absolutely unbelievable. Like, I can't believe I've actually made the decision to go on my own. And I realised now that I'm on my own, I need to go to restaurants, do my own research, look where to go, and talk to different people, whether that's Thai or around the world. Like, it just built lots of confidence within myself, because that's one of my weaknesses, talking to strangers. Throughout my life, my confidence has been pretty low. So to talk to strangers in a strange country is a really big thing for me, especially with a camera. But the thing about Thailand is people are so relaxed, they don't stress about the small things, and that just changed my attitude altogether. Like, looking back a year from now, I'm a totally different person now. And that's what happens when you be open, you embrace another culture, you try different foods, you talk to people. It gives you a new perspective, and that's one of the biggest things what happened to me during my solo travel. And also another thing to add, my girlfriend is from Thailand, and I met her whilst on my solo travels. So that's another thing what changed my life. And if I didn't go on that trip, I would never have met her. So the biggest lessons that I learned from my solo travels was book the flight, don't think about it too much, just book it. And arriving in Thailand, I learned that I need to trust myself more and strangers, because in Thailand the people are so nice, and they would go out the way to help you about anything. Not everyone, but a lot of them do. And the experiences in Thailand, whether that's tours, eating at restaurants, going anywhere, like talking to people, you just get a new perspective, and it just gives you a new way how to look at life. Because in Thailand, they live life in a different way. It's a lot more calm. The culture is more of like a family culture. It's so beautiful to see. It's a beautiful country. And overall, it's just changed me as a person. My perspective on life and the way I act now is completely different to 1 year ago. 1 year ago, life was repetitive. I was just doing the same thing day in, day out. And as you can imagine, the excitement gets drained out of you. You walk around, you don't look really happy, really, if you're doing the same thing day in, day out. But what I'm trying to say, if you're in the situation that I was 1 year ago, and you really want to do something with your life, just make the decision. Do it. Don't look back. You live one life, so why not? Because sometimes the decisions that scare you the most are the ones that change your life.